do we have here? We have this product which is called CADA, Thermal Control Anti-Static SMD Workstation. It is actually used to fix all kinds of devices, most especially I myself, I use it for mobile phone devices. I use it to remove IC components and to replace also screen, for screen replacement and other technical things that is needed. It's now for us to unbox this package to see what is actually inside this package. When you open it, this is how it looks like. It comes with this. Let's open to see what is actually inside this. This is what we call soldering iron. This is soldering iron. You use it for soldering any kind of thing or to fix any kind of device. That's for this. Then the next one is this. We have the bigger one, which is called, this is the main workstation. This is the hot air gun. This is what they use for fixing all kinds of mobile tech devices. You can see how it looks like. You connect it to the device and it works. We're going to put this device to test to actually see what is inside it and how it works. The next thing is this. This is the cable in which we are going to connect to light, to electricity, for us to see how it's actually working. We're going to plug this to another main control device. This one is actually the mount. This one is being set. You can fix it. You fix it on this particular one. This is what you do. You can fix this size. You can see how the mount. This is quite smaller, while these other ones are quite bigger. This one is bigger than this. This is a rework station, but all these things comes in different sizes. And we also have this other one. You can see they are all different. One is smaller, one is bigger, and every of this particular one goes into this device. It all depends on what you are doing. This is how you use it. You can also connect this smaller one. Now for the main thing, which is this box. We have this box. You might be wondering what is inside this box. This is the main control. This is what makes everything, every of these devices to work. If this is not there, all these devices cannot work, cannot be able to function. We need this particular one to work. Let's unbox this package to see how it looks. So you can see how it looks. There's the main control. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You can see what is actually inside this. As you can see, this one is soldering station. This one is SMD rework station, and this is the handle, and this is quite light, I think so. And this is where the control switch is. You can see the voltage is also there, 220 volts AC, power 680 watts, then fuse. This is actually made in China. What we're going to be doing is that we're going to put this device to play. Now for this one, let's connect each of these devices to see how it works. This is the SMD rework station, the device, the handheld device. You connect it to this place. You can see once it's connected, you tighten it. Then we're going to connect this, connect it to this part. This is where it's going to connect. Then we also have the soldering iron, which is this one. Then we're going to connect it at this other part. Once we connect it, then we also tighten this other part. Once you tighten it, this is how it looks. You can use the soldering iron or the handheld rework station. So it all depends on the particular mount in which you want to use. Then you can connect any of them. You can either connect this one or connect any other one. This is how the device looks once it's connected. This is how it comes. You put this one, you also connect this one. Then for the main part of it, which is this one I once said, we're going to connect this into the electricity for us to see how this device works. This is where you're going to connect it. This one is being connected over here. Once you connect it, it goes inside. Then you can control the switch over here. It's actually time for us to put this device to test to see if it's actually working and know how this device works. Now let's put it on. You just connect it here. You just connect it. This is how it works. You can see over here. Now for this particular handheld, all we need to do is to just set the control. This is reduce. This is where you increase it. This is the regulator. This is what controls how the heat is going to be. And as it is now, you can hear the sound. And you can use this device to remove any components on a mobile phone or on a laptop or on a printer, on any electronic device. You can use this device to fix any of them. Now, if you want to reduce it, this is where you reduce it. You can see the number is coming down. The heat has reduced. Then the next one is this, the soldering iron. We can increase it to our choice. You can see how it looks. As time goes on, it's already getting hot. Once you touch it, it's already getting hot. You can see once this particular one has automatic regulator. Once you lift it, it starts reading. Once you put it down, it's going to stop by itself. You can see how it looks like. You can actually use this to device. You can see it has stopped. It's showing 3 dots on it. This is the soldering iron, and this soldering iron is actually very hot. You can use this SCADA SMD REWORKSTATION to fix any device, either your laptop, your phone, and it's very easy to carry about. It's very simple. You can see it is very small. It's not like those bigger REWORKSTATIONs in which you use. It's very small and it's easy to use. We can now put it off over this place. I've switched it off. This is all I have for you. If you find this video interesting, please don't forget to click on the like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.